Hi guys, thanks for checking out this video. Hopefully you're familiar with logging in and using the basics of the software. If you aren't, I would recommend stopping right here and getting some basic training from someone who does have a working knowledge of the system. Alright, to get into it, the first thing I'm going to do is show you how to access the help files dealing with this process. So to find those, we're going to open up IQ. Hopefully you have a shortcut available to you. Wait just a second while it loads. Alright, from here we're going to open the Sales Configuration Templates module. You may find that in the launcher bar. And if you don't have either of those icons on your bar, we may have to add those for you. You'll find that in the CRM SRM here, but I am going to access it from the Smart page. We can open that up and choose a template that you know is available. We'll go with the node 48120. So now that I've opened this up, I have access to the Help menu, and we can click on Contents here, and that will bring up the Sales Configuration Templates Help file. There's information in here on pricing and actually on the build up and configuration of these templates themselves. So that is how you access the help files. From here, we're going to look at the pricing methodology and how you actually build up a price and make sure that it generates correctly. So the first thing we'll notice is we have a price field here on this main general tab, and what you'll find with that is it does nothing. The way that we are configuring items, this has no basis in our build up. So we'll move on to the configuration tab here, and this is where we get to the meat of the system. First off, you'll see we have sales options here. These are going to be your main headers, if you will. So for instance, if we look at manufacturer base here, MFG base, you'll find the MFG base in EDI from Steelcase. This is the Steelcase product. And then they will give us a value for MFG base, which is actually going to be one of these three codes for this model. So if 6249 is chosen, we will add $0 to the price. If 6295 is chosen, we will add 59 cents to the price. So your pricing is going to go in this third field here in the list, and you will calculate that out based on a CMS, but the result for each code, choice code here, you can see this is the choices field or section. That price will go into this field. That will generate a price out for each option and choice that is chosen by the customer, depending on what price we put in each of these fields, as you can see. And if we want no price, then we will put nothing in there. The increase in price is placed in the other ones. The respective values will then populate to the quoted, the quoting module, or to the EDI module. So once we have done that, we also have to go to the inventory module. And I'll just maximize it again. And we'll choose the 48120, which is the item that applies to our 48120 template. Once I get that open, we're going to see the main inventory screen, and I'll maximize that for you. The only tab we are concerned with during pricing is our buy-sell pricing tab. So the third tab, I'm going to click on that, and we will see there is a standard item price. This is where we will place our base item price. once this is populated and we have all the prices populated correctly in the sales config template, you should be populating the correct item price when an order is run through the quoting module. Now, to make sure that you have made changes whenever you make a change in the sales config template or in the inventory item, you're going to want to click this check mark, Post Edit button up here, and that will show up blue when you've made a change. Once you click it, it'll post the edit and it'll go gray. That's all there is to pricing. Once you've made these changes, done these steps, you should be getting an accurate price.